60 seconds if I'm correct, Pidgin Yanis. Now you will do one this weekend. Now the big one will go no. Who get London? After 90 minutes, Arsenal versus Chelsea. Make a run on a small mathematics for this particular match because the last 14 times where these two teams they don't meet, Arsenal now so only one time they don't win for 2016. They win that one 3-0 for the Emirates. As it stands now this season, Chelsea they don't keep 10 clean sheets. Arsenal now only 3 they don't keep. Chelsea serve then they fought for table with 47 points. Arsenal then they number 5 with 41 points. Arsenal they don't score 46 goals and they don't even concede only 32. Chelsea serve then they don't score 40 goals, concede 17. If Arsenal lose this match, Manchester United go overtake them. So you as an Arsenal fan, you as Chelsea fan self, how you they see this one? How you say it go be? You feel say Arsenal go feel win this particular game? I bet you feel say na Chelsea na get am sorry ball, aka sorry ball. Na in the hot this that be na Emery ball. It is say na go get this one. Make a hear for una. No forget to like, share, and comment for this video.